I'm gonna. This is the way when I have to practice it.
Okay.
And this is when I'm on white. Please, Mommy, come over here. See?
Yes.
So can I skip it?
Well, you have to practice, right?
Okay. First start with the A's.
Have you gotten to that page with Mr. Pete?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Look.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Now C.